Today, I want to talk about forgiveness. Forgiveness is one of the most difficult things we can ever be asked to do. It's easy to forgive small mistakes, someone cutting us off in traffic, a careless word, a broken promise. But when the wound is deep, when the pain feels unbearable, forgiveness seems almost impossible. Recently, the world witnessed a powerful example. Charlie Kirk, a husband, a father, and a public voice for his beliefs, was tragically killed. His death shocked thousands. But in the middle of grief, his wife Erika stood before the world and said something remarkable. She said, "That young man, I forgive him." Imagine that. The man accused of taking away her husband, her partner, the father of her children. And yet she chose forgiveness. Not because the act was small, not because it was excusable, but because hatred would only deepen the wound. She said, "The answer to hate is not hate." Her words remind us that forgiveness is not about pretending the pain doesn't exist. It's about choosing not to let bitterness and anger control our lives. It is strength, not weakness. It is freedom, not bondage. Forgiveness doesn't erase justice. Courts and laws still have their role. But forgiveness breaks the cycle of hate. It allows healing to begin. So the question is, what about us? Who do we need to forgive? Maybe it's a family member who hurt us years ago. Maybe it's a friend who betrayed our trust. Maybe it's even ourselves. Erika Kirk's choice shows us that forgiveness is possible even in the darkest hour. If she could forgive the man accused of killing her husband, then surely we can take the first step toward forgiving the people who have wounded us. Forgiveness doesn't change the past, but it does change the future. So let us choose not to answer hate with hate. Let us choose to forgive,